Hi guys, what will happen if you push the engine start and stop button while driving? Will it shut off the vehicle and cause us to lose control and crash? Let's find out. Alright, so we're driving right now and let's press the button. So if you press and release the button, nothing will happen. The vehicle ignores this press and keeps on driving. The engine won't stall and you won't lose control. This is a great safety feature. If it happens accidentally, somebody presses a button, the vehicle will keep driving. And right now, guys, we'll do another quick test. Now, instead of pressing and releasing, we will press and hold this button and let's see what happens. So we will let the vehicle drive and we will press and hold the button. And now, guys, it will actually turn off the engine and put transmission into neutral gear. To get out of the situation, you have to press the brake pedal and engine start and stop button. The engine will restart and now you have to put the vehicle into drive again, because it will be in neutral if this happens. So this is something you need to be aware. Again, if it happens accidentally or deliberately, somebody presses this button and holds, it will turn off the engine. So please be aware about that.